Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick install of the Hyve Technologies Gen 5 Mag Release. So I've got my Glock 19x here. Get this out, make sure they're all cleared and empty. So the Glock 19x is essentially a Gen 5. It's got the ambidextrous slide release on there, and it has the reversible mag release. Now, the factory mag release is sort of a lower profile mag release. It works just fine. It's a plastic or a polymer, but it's going to be replaced with this one from Hyve Technologies. So this one here is an extended with a knurled aluminum. It's a billet aluminum, machined aluminum with nice black anodizing on it. Little Hyve honeycomb, and it extends out a little bit more with this nice knurling. It's got some great grip to it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the slide off the 19x here. And we'll set that aside. And then to take the old one out, what we're going to do is I'll grab my little dental pick and I'm going to hook the little bar spring, which I hope you can see clear down in there. Let's see, maybe if I grab a light. You can see down in there, there's a little spring that slides from side to side and holds the mag release in place. So I'm going to grab my tool and I'm going to unhook that little spring, pull it out of its slot. It's going to let me here. I can't quite see. There we go. A little snap, and it pops out of its slot, stays in place because it's wedged down in that V. Then we can slide the factory mag release out. We'll hook, it's kind of hooked right on there. We just got to slide it out and kind of pivot it underneath the spring here. If it's going to let me. There we go. Whoop, and there it goes. So now, down inside, we've got, you can kind of see the little spring top sticking out through there. So this is reversible for ambidextrous. I'm a righty, so of course I'm going to put it so the button is on the left-hand side, but for all those lefties out there, you can flip this around and run it so the button is on the right-hand side also. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the new one, and obviously it's going in this way, so the button is sticking out this side. So we're going to put this in, and pop that spring out of the way. I know it's hard for you to see. I'm sorry. I wish there was a better way. So we lift up on the spring and slide the new mag release right underneath it. Oop, kind of need a third hand sometimes. Okay. Slide this into place. And then I'm going to take my, see if you can see again, see, the spring is sitting right on top of the mag release. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that spring, I'm going to slide it to your left into that little notch. So I'm going to turn off the light, slide it over. It snaps into place. Light again. And you can see it slid over right into that little notch. So now it's in place and ready to go. So there you have it. That's the Hyve Technologies Extended Aluminum Gen 5 Mag Release. So, pop that back on. There you have it. So it looks great. You can see it sticks out a little bit more. Definitely has a more positive grip on it and feels awesome. So having that knurled aluminum there that sticks out a little bit more definitely gives you a lot more feel to it on your thumb and a lot better positive grip. So if you're wearing gloves and they're wet or anything like that, it's going to have a way better grip than the factory one. So there you go. That's the Hyve Technologies Mag Release install. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. That's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.